Hello everyone and welcome to a new video update for Ethereum based on Elliott Wave analysis. Starting on the monthly chart, we can see already in our parabolic study here that we have reached our higher high for this cycle, and based on this curve, it looks like when touching each time the top of this curve, it looks like we have reached already the higher high for the cycle, and that because of the rejection, the clear rejection that we see here, of course, during this cycle, reaching only 3,765 for Ethereum and not even breaking the higher high of the previous cycle. Now, moving to the daily chart for Ethereum, we can see that on the daily, we have already finished a diagonal here, a contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and extended a wave 5, claiming a wave 1 in green and looking for a wave 2 as well in green. Now, this wave 2 looks like an A, B, C, like a finished correction. Basically, potentially that a leg for a wave 5 that might be unfolding as well. We talked about it in the last videos, and you can go back to it if you want to see this more in detail. What I want to cover now is that if, let's say, this correction has already finished here and the wave we don't expect any wave 5, all right? So what we can see here on the 1 hour chart is actually a new scenario that it might be very impulsive for Ethereum, right? So what I see here is 5 waves towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is definitely a contracting diagonal towards the upside, that which we can consider as wave 1. And this is beautiful to see in Ethereum, at least after this all weaknesses and a turnaround for the cycle, right? So what we are maybe expecting after this, of course, is a correction, right, of 3 waves, A, B, C, and we can see here a 3 waves for A, 3 waves for B, and a beautiful 1, 2 is forming for an impulse towards the downside. Now, the best area to reach the wave 2 is our famous green box here with a 0.618 and a 0.78 fib levels. Between 2,340 and 2,220 would be a perfect area for a wave 2. Now, after this wave 2, we might see, of course, then or expect at least an impulse towards the upside. Now, the possibility is high for this scenario because if we go back to the daily, chart, we can see that this could still be a potential of a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now, of course, this might sound a very, very positive, especially that the overlap here of the wave 4 with the wave 1. However, it did not overlap with this wave 1. Okay, so that is the key here, that this did not really overlap with the first one too, and that might keep an option for 1 wave towards the upside. And if we consider then this is 1, 2, let's say then this is 3 and 4 and then 5, this might be our case scenario for a new wave towards the upside for Ethereum. And now, is it possible to break this higher high? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that is the case. But if we take a fib level here, extension at the 1.618, I think the highest possibility is to reach the 4,131, which it might not really break again Ethereum. However, if that got much more extended, then okay, it could be the possibility, then it could be, why not? However, a 4,130 for Ethereum, it would be nice to see it again, right? So on the 1 hour chart here, there is a big potential of formation for a wave 5 towards the upside again, which is actually much more clearer even from a Bitcoin, what is going on with Bitcoin now, right? With the long range and with the wave 1, which is not really clear. Okay, so what we are seeing on Ethereum looks much more healthier and much more affordable. Now, one more thing I want to mention, if we take also the FIB time for the wave 1 and to set as a wave 2, we can see that the wave 2 is still exactly now in the perfect area for the FIB time. Okay, that means we are still okay even to range a little bit in this area before going forward to the upside. However, this correction is already very close to finish in an impulse here, as you can see, a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and that might finish our correction exactly on time for the FIB level, reaching also the FIB area for a wave 2, and then move up towards the upside. So let's watch this for Ethereum, and we'll see what's going on in the next day, what's gonna happen. I hope that you liked the update, and if you did, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.